Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make tomorokoshi no butter shoyu yaki. It's corn sauteed with butter and soy sauce. Such a simple dish, but surprisingly delicious and addictive. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this tomorokoshi no butter shoyu yaki. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 canned corn. You can of course use fresh one if available. 1 tablespoon each of butter and soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Some salt and pepper, and optional, but some dried parsley if you like. Butter and vegetable oil in the frying pan. Vegetable oil prevents butter from burning. Turn the heat on over medium-high heat. In the meantime, let's drain corn. Nothing difficult, just drain. Back to the frying pan. Now the butter is almost melted. So let's add corn. Spread it out. And just saute it for a while. Try not to touch it too much. You want to burn it a little bit to create a nice toasty flavor and chewy texture. Cooked for 3 minutes or so over medium-high heat. Let's give it a mix. And cook for a while until it gets nice brown. Cooked for another 3 to 4 minutes. Let's check the bottom. Looks good. Some salt and pepper. Dried parsley. And soy sauce. Give it a mix. Cue the heat and it's done. Super easy. Let's serve on the plate. And tomorokoshi no butter shoyu yaki is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Good news. You can use fork to have it. Itadakimasu. The soy sauce brings out the sweetness of the corn, and it's simply so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tomorokoshi no butter shoyu itame is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. How about kare pilaf, which will also cover the main? I think I want to have little more protein, so let's have じゃがいもとベーコンのお味噌汁. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!